Hi, my name is Raj. I am a software developer in Astrobyte. Today I am going to give a basic tutorial on Android Jetpack Navigation, which is a new way of navigation between fragments. So let us create a new project. Click on Empty Activity. Here I name it as Jetpack Navigation Example. Click on Finish. Let it build. So we need two fragments. Let me create this fragment. Let me name it as fragment 1. We need one more fragment. Name it as fragment 2. Then I have to add a button in each fragment XML layout. Here I am trying to show is that when we click on the button in fragment 1, it will navigate to fragment 2. If we click on the button in fragment 2, it will navigate to fragment 1. Let us see how it works with Jetpack Navigation. So let me add a button in fragment 1. Here I have added a button. On clicking this button, go to fragment 1. It will have to navigate to second fragment that I am going to do. Then we have to add a button fragment 2 also. Here you can see the button go to fragment 2. On clicking this button, it will have to navigate to fragment 1. Then let me create a navigation graph. Click on resource, click new, and resource file. Select resource type navigation. Let me name it as navgraph. Click on OK. Navigation resource is a newly introduced resource type in Navigation Jetpack. I forgot to add required libraries. That's why the error is showing here. So let us go to browser and search for Jetpack Navigation. Then click on the link. Then click on this Get Started with Navigation Component link. Yeah, this is the libraries we need to add to our Gradle file. Let me copy this version. Then copy these two libraries. These are the required libraries. Then let me sync the project. Okay, done. After adding dependencies, the error is gone. Then click on this link using navigation component. Then we have to copy this code. Then paste it to the main activity XML file. Then we have to add our to fragment to navigation graph. So let me click on this button, new destination, select fragment 1, it's added here, click once again, click on fragment 2, both are added. Then we have to define our action. Our action is that when we click on this go to fragment 1 button, it will have to switch to fragment 2. So that let me click on this node and drag it to the next fragment, fragment 2. It is mapped. So you can see a new ID is added. This is the action ID. Then we have to define one more action, that is when we click on this go to fragment 2 button, it will have to switch to fragment 1. So let me map to the first fragment from second. It is mapped. Then we have to add navigation listener in both fragment 1 and fragment 2. Let me show that. Let me rewrite the return statement. Let me create listener. Then we have to add action ID here. To get action ID, go to nav graph, then click on the action arrow fragment 1 to fragment 2, then copy action ID from here and paste here. Then let me initialize the button here. Then set listener on button. Then we have to copy this code and go to fragment 2 and paste it here. Rename it to fragment 2. Then we have to replace this ID. Then go to navigation graph. Then click on the navigation line fragment 2 to fragment 1. Then find the ID here. Copy that. Back to fragment 2. Paste it here. So we have completed our coding part. Let me run the app in device. Open the visor. App is installing. So we have run the app successfully. Let me click on the button. Go to fragment 1. Yeah, it is navigated to fragment 2. Okay, then let me click on go to fragment 2. It is navigated to fragment 1. So that is it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.